Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered if you accidentally signed up for a subscription service called Broke Life Premium? You know that exact, crushing feeling of working your tail off every single day, while that magical six-figure savings goal feels like a total fantasy. It feels about as attainable as becoming a professional trainer for unicorns. But here's something that might actually shock your system. Reaching your first $100,000 is not just a dream reserved for trust fund kids. It isn't just for those lucky few who got lucky buying a random meme coin with their lunch money. Once you truly grasp the psychology of wealth and use the right moves, it happens way faster than you think. This milestone is incredibly special. It is not just another number on a glowing screen. It is the exact point where your money starts working harder than your cousin who posts motivational quotes every morning. Once you hit that mark, compound interest becomes your absolute best friend for life. And I promise you that the next 100,000 comes so much faster than the first one ever did. Welcome to Siraz, Patwari. I am so incredibly glad you are here today. If you are truly serious about changing your financial future, do yourself a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. Join our community, because these strategies are the real difference between a comfortable life and struggling in your later years. Let's dive deep into this together. Think about how most people try to save money. It is like going to the gym on New Year's Day. They have great intentions. They start out really strong. Then life just happens. Motivation starts to fade away. Before they even know it, they are back to their old habits. They wonder why they never make any real progress. The problem here isn't just a lack of willpower. It is that they are fighting a massive battle without the right tools. Imagine trying to fill a bucket that has huge holes in the bottom. You can pour water in there all day long. You still end up with nothing in the end. That is what most people do with their money. They work hard to earn it, but they never plug the leaks in their financial bucket. They are trying to solve a complex math problem with crayons. They should be using a high-powered calculator instead. The wealthy understand something very important. Building wealth isn't about living like a monk. It is about making strategic decisions that grow over time. Every dollar you save today is actually worth many more dollars later. You have to be smart about how you handle it. People think saving is just about skipping a daily coffee. They think it's about not eating avocado toast. Sure, those small things add up a little bit, but they are missing the forest for the trees. The real money is in the big items. It is in the systems you choose to automate. We are going to look at a system to reach that first 100,000 faster than ever before. We will cover the traps that keep people broke. We will look at the tactical moves the wealthy use. I will show you a strategy that frees up a massive chunk of your budget. You will wonder why more people aren't talking about this already. But first, let's be real about it. Why is the first 100,000 so hard? It is because you are doing all the heavy lifting yourself. Every dollar comes from your own sweat. Every dollar comes from your own paycheck. You are building the foundation of your house brick by brick. But once you hit that milestone, magic happens. Your money starts earning real returns. Instead of a few cents, you see hundreds or thousands. A 10% return on a small amount feels tiny. But 10% on 100,000 is $10,000 of growth. Suddenly, your investments are working as hard as you are. This is why experts say the first 100,000 is the hardest. Once that snowball starts rolling, momentum takes over. But getting there requires a real plan. Most financial advice out there is just flat out wrong. They focus on tiny things and ignore the big wins. They tell you to clip coupons while your rent eats half your check. They tell you to invest, but don't mention how taxes kill your profit. They talk about emergency funds, but not how to fix your cash flow. The strategies I want to share are very different. These aren't just band-aids. These are real tactics to change your whole path. They might challenge what you have been told your whole life. They might make you think very differently about your wallet. But if you keep an open mind, you could see that first 100,000 very soon. You might be starting from zero right now. Maybe you have debt or can barely pay the bills. These moves work no matter where you start. Wealth building is a skill. It is like driving a car or playing music. Nobody is perfect at it at first, but with practice, you can master it. This skill changes your whole life. It gives you freedom and real options. Let's look at how to speed up this journey. These steps create a powerful system to cut your time down. Some might seem simple, but most people don't do them the right way. Others might really surprise you. Let's start with how you handle the government's share. We are talking about tax optimization. This isn't about anything shady or illegal. It is about using the rules the government actually wants you to use. Taxes are likely your biggest expense, yet most people think more about their coffee than their tax bill. It is like paying extra for everything because you didn't use a coupon. Accounts like a traditional IRA or a 401k give you an immediate discount. When you put money there, you reduce your taxable income. If you make $50,000 and put $10,000 in a 401k, you only pay tax on $40,000. That is a guaranteed return before you even invest a dime. If you are in a 22% tax bracket, every $1,000 you save saves you $220 in taxes. You only need $780 of your own money to make a $1,000 investment. The government is literally helping you build wealth. And then there is the free money people leave on the table. I'm talking about employer matching. If you aren't doing this, you are turning down a raise. If your boss matches 50% of what you put in, that is an immediate 50% return. Think about that for a second. No stock market gain can guarantee that on day one. People will spend hours trying to save $50 on a phone, yet they ignore thousands in matching. It is like refusing a winning lottery ticket because of the taxes. Now, let's talk about the fun part. Creating more ways to bring in money. I don't mean just working more hours at a job you hate. Traditional advice says, live below your means. That usually means making your life smaller. But a better way is to expand your means while keeping your lifestyle the same. Don't just cut back. Bring in more money that goes straight to your goals. This doesn't feel like a sacrifice at all. It is like finding money in the couch, but it is thousands of dollars. Use your skills to freelance or start a small side project. Give that extra money one job, building wealth. When you separate your main check from your extra income, it's easier to save without feeling deprived. This next part tests your true discipline. You need to reinvest every single dividend. It feels great to see that payment hit your account. It's like your money is paying you a salary for being smart. But the real power isn't in spending that money today. It is in the growth you get by putting it back to work. When you buy more shares with those dividends, you get even more dividends later. It is that snowball effect again. Over the last century, the S&P 500 averaged over 10% annual returns with dividends reinvested. Without reinvesting, it was only about 6%. That 4% gap is huge over 30 years. It is the difference between a great retirement and a total struggle. Resist the urge for instant gratification. Use those payments to buy assets that will pay you for decades. You also need to keep more of what you earn by watching fees. This might sound dry, but it is vital. Investment fees are like a silent tax. They compound against you over time. A 1% fee versus a 0.1% fee sounds small. But over 30 years, that difference can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. You don't have to pay high fees for great options. Index funds that track the market are basically the same wherever you get them. Why pay more for the exact same thing? When you are building that first 100,000, every single dollar counts. Do a little research now to save a fortune later. Another huge trap is trying to time the market. It sounds smart to buy low and sell high, but that is often total nonsense. Trying to time it is like guessing which elevator will come first in a busy building. You might get lucky once, but you will likely end up frustrated. Data shows that the average person who tries to time things does much worse than the market itself. When the market drops, people panic. They sell and feel smart for a moment. Then the market bounces back, and they are still sitting on the sidelines. They miss the recovery. If you miss just the 10 best days over 30 years, your returns are cut in half. And those best days usually happen right after the worst ones. Your job is simple. Put money in regularly and leave it alone. Let the market grow over time. Stay the course and you will be amazed. Now, what should you actually buy? Most people either overthink it or don't think at all. Some try to find the next giant tech company and fail. Others just do what a friend says. Your goal should be solid, steady growth. You aren't trying to get rich quick. You are trying to get rich for sure. The best way is broad market index funds. This gives you a piece of the 500 largest companies. You own a bit of everything successful like Apple and Microsoft. These are proven businesses. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to let the system work. If you are young, you can handle some ups and downs because time is on your side. One of the most important things is avoiding lifestyle inflation. This is where people sabotage themselves. You start your career making a certain amount and you get by. Then you get a raise. Instead of saving that extra money, you get a nicer place or a newer car. You get another raise and you spend that too. Soon, you make twice as much but still live paycheck to paycheck. Real wealth comes from basing your lifestyle on what you want, not what you earn. When your income goes up, you have a choice. You can spend it or invest it. More spending doesn't always equal more happiness. That new car feels great for a month, then it's just a car. But that car payment could be building your freedom. Millionaires often save half their income. They find joy in growing their net worth. When you get your next raise, take half and invest it immediately. Don't even let it hit your checking account. Let your wealth grow faster than your lifestyle. Finally, let's talk about the biggest lever of all, housing. This can free up more money than anything else. If you spend more than 30% of your income on where you live, wealth building is hard. Housing is usually the biggest cost, but it is also very flexible. You don't have to live in a specific spot or have a certain amount of space. I'm not saying live in a box, but get creative. Maybe get roommates or look at a less expensive area. Maybe look into house hacking. The math is incredible. Cutting your housing costs by a few $100s a month can add up to $500,000 over time. This doesn't have to be forever. It is a strategic move for a few years to build your foundation. Once you are wealthy, your investments will pay for your dream home. All these steps work best together. Tax moves save you money to invest. Employer matches give you a head start. Extra income adds fuel. Reinvesting dividends speeds it up. Low fees keep your money. Staying in the market prevents mistakes. Index funds give you growth. Avoiding inflation and fixing housing costs give you the most cash to work with. When you do this, that first 100,000 is inevitable. It's not about being perfect every day. It's about systems that work even when you are tired. Reaching that milestone changes everything. Compound interest becomes a real force you can see. It stops being a struggle and starts being a wave you can ride. This path requires patience and some different choices. Most people will just hope things get better. But you have the tools now. Your future self is counting on you. Every dollar you put to work today is a gift to your future. Think about your life 10 years from now. Where do you want to be? Do you want to be checking your balance with fear? Or do you want to be looking at a growing portfolio with confidence? The choice isn't made once. It is made every time you get a paycheck. It is made every time you decide where to live. It is made every time you choose an investment. You have the power to write a new story for yourself. You have the map. Now you just need to start walking. It might feel slow at first, but remember that snowball. It starts small. It starts slow. But once it gets big enough, nothing can stop it. You are building something that will last. You are building something that will give you your time back. And time is the most valuable thing we have. Let's talk about the mindset you need. You have to stop thinking about money as something to spend. Think about it as a tool to build your freedom. When you look at a $100 bill, don't see a new pair of shoes. See it as a seed that can grow into a forest. That is how the wealthy think. They look at every dollar and ask how it can work for them. This shift in thinking is what makes everything else possible. Without it, you will always be fighting your own impulses. But with it, saving becomes a game that you are winning. You start to enjoy watching the numbers go up more than you enjoy buying stuff. This is the true secret to the first 100,000. It is a change of character as much as a change of balance. I want you to imagine the day you hit that $100,000 mark. You log in and see those 6 digits. It isn't just about the money. It is about the proof that you can do it. You have mastered a skill that most people never will. You have broken the cycle. You are now on the side of the winners in this financial system. From here on out, the wind is at your back. The next milestone will come with less effort than this one did. You have built the engine. Now you just need to keep it oiled. This is the foundation for the rest of your life. It is the most important financial move you will ever make. Don't let another year go by without taking action. Start with one strategy today. Maybe it is signing up for that 401k match. Maybe it is moving your money to a lower fee fund. Maybe it is starting that small side hustle to bring in extra cash. Whatever it is, Do it now. Don't wait for the perfect time, because it never comes. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. You have everything you need to succeed. You just have to be willing to take that first step. Your future is waiting for you. Go out there and build it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Siraz Patwari, and I truly want to see you succeed. If this was helpful, please subscribe and hit that bell. I'll be back with more to help you build the life you want. Keep building, one smart choice at a time. See you in the next one.